Good morning, children. How are you all? So, today we are going to see the summary for FA2. Okay, so we are preparing for FA2. So, we do the small revision. So, what are the topics? What are the portions we are going to cover? Great grandmothers, poem, and the grateful tenant, and the lineage poem. Okay, so we are going to see only these three. So we have completed the classwork, we have completed everything, back exercises also. So now we will do the revision. Okay, so that we get prepared and do good. Okay, the exams. Okay, so see who has written this great grandmother poem. Alan Malley. So Alan Malley has written this poem and he is describing about his great grandmother. Who is great grandmother? Mother's mother, that is your grandmother. Okay, so that grandmother's mother is great grandmother, so that we call it as three generation. Okay, so we call it as three generation. Okay, so how she is appearing, how her physical appearance is, so that is what Alan Malley is explaining. So on looking her, first what he is telling, the first thing is the photograph is very old. How do you know that it is very old? Because of the sentence yellowing and misted over by time. Okay, and next what he is explaining is look. Okay, she is very frank and serious, but see what he is telling, though her eyes are very strict, they can laugh too. So she can even laugh though she is very strict, stern. Okay, and her hair is pulled back tightly in a bun, and she was wearing black dress with no jewelry. So what this Alan Malley is telling, see how I am recognizing myself in her, like that even now my great grandchildren should feel like this. See, when I see my grandmother, great grandmother photo, see, I'm recognizing myself. Oh, see, look at her, my eyes are like her, my nose are like her, like that I am recognizing. Okay, I am recognizing myself in her. So the same feeling, the same closeness I should have with my great grandchildren. So this is the summary of great grandmother. Okay, so we will come to the back exercise again. Okay, so next the grateful tenant. What is the story of that grateful tenant? So we see that there is a person called, the character name is Ramesh. So this story was written by Sudha Murthy. Okay, so when he was going for a walk, his friend is asking, hey Ramesh, why do you name your house as Shyam Kamal? So what, then the flashback story is starting. Okay, so the Ramesh is telling about the where he lived for past 6 years during his college days. So he was living with a old couple. Okay, their name is Shyama Rao and Kamala Bai. Okay, so Shyama Rao was a retired post office. He was working in a post office and he is a retired postmaster, and Kamala Bai was a housewife, and she is very loving and caring. Okay, so she will cook good food and she will share that meals with him. Okay, and whenever Ramesh father is delaying to send the money, so that time this Shyama Rao will pay little bit of college fees. Okay, and this Ramesh was helping them for all, he was doing all the petty jobs, like small jobs, going out to buy vegetables, fruits, going for post office, and like that small jobs he was doing. Okay, so again this friend is asking, I asked the question, why did you name the house after, like why did you name them like that? So now only he is telling, see, this is a combination of two names, that is Shyama Rao and Kamala Bai. Shyam and Kamala. So Shyam, Kamal, like that they can. So who suggested this means father, Ramesh father only suggested to keep this friend, because they wanted to show it in action. See, simply telling that thank you, that is not, that is only words. To show it in action, he named the house as Shyam Kamal. Okay, so this is the story of Grateful Tenant. And coming to the lineage poem. In lineage poem, who has written lineage poem? Lineage poem was written by Margaret Walker. She has written this poem and she is comparing herself with the grandmother. Okay, how she is comparing? See, in olden days, when my grandparents were very strong and they were very active. So what occupation they were doing? They were doing farming, agriculture. So they were bent to toil, like they were doing hard work. They were doing plowing, sowing, then what? Harvesting, all that agricultural process, full farming. Okay, so they were doing like that and they were very active. Okay, they were very active. When they speak also, they speak very clean words. Okay, they will speak very clean words, and that's why he is asking why I am not as my grandmother. See, she was full of memories, and when I go and hug her, she will smell like soap and onions, or clay hands, everything I can smell. And they were very strong, and they were physically and mentally, they were they having that strong power, strength. Okay, and also they keep themselves very busy. So why am I not like that? Because now we are following sedentary job. That is the simple thing. We are not active as they are. Okay, so that's why, that is what Margaret Walker wanted to tell. Okay, so now coming back to the back exercises. Okay, we'll come back to the back exercises. Okay, this meanings very important. These meanings are very important. Okay, so yellowing, discolored. See, if how the questions will be. See, discolored and getting old dash. You should write yellowing. White paper turns yellow after a long period dash. So you should write yellowing. Okay, so questions it can be twisted like this side or the other side. Okay, misted, dimmed, stern, strict, frank, straightforward, recognize, understand, identify, find. Okay, so they have given 3 words: understand, identify and find. Okay, coming to the back exercise question answers. See, you already know all these answers. We have completed the book back exercises, and also we have done the analysis. Okay, so first in analysis we have written the context of the poem, title and then explanation. Okay, so these are the things, side headings we have completed in the poem analysis. Okay, so all this lineage also we have completed, and this also we have completed. So you have to read that. So what has happened to the photograph? Why? The photograph is yellowing and misted over by time. Okay, describe the poet's great grandmother as she appears in the photograph. So great grandmother was looking frank and serious. Her eyes are stern. Her hair is pulled back tightly in a bun. She wears no jewelry and she was wearing black dress. Okay, so This is the important questions. And coming to three generations. Okay, how do you explain three generation? See, three generation means you have to say second generation is poet's grandchildren, and grandchildren is third generation. Okay, poet's children, then the second generation poet's grandchildren, and that grandchildren's children is the third generation. Okay. Okay, then we'll move on to the next exercise. Okay, coming to the Grateful Tenant book back exercises, please read the book meanings. Okay, plague, a name plate fixed to the wall, engraved, cut down on wood, stone, metal, etc. Outhouse, a small building in the ground floor, usually at the back of the main house. Wholeheartedly, completely and sincerely. Selfless, caring about others, not about oneself. Meager, small quantity. Man Friday, a trustworthy character in novel Robinson Crusoe. Run errands, do petty jobs. Reaffirm, prove again. So why did Ramesh name his house Shyam Kamal? To show his gratitude. It is a combination of two names, that is Shyama Rao and Kamala Bai. Okay, so who was Kamala Bai selfish? No, she was not selfish. Okay, how did Shyama Rao help Ramesh? How? See, every Shyama Rao did not let Ramesh is hungry for even a single day, and they treated him like their own son. If they very late to pay the college fees, Shyama Rao will spare some money to pay the fees. Okay, so how can you make old people happy? See, by assisting them in their daily activities. Okay, so you can help them in every activity so that I can make them happy. Okay, next coming to the match the following. Remember, forget, selfless, selfish, agree, disagree, success, failure, grateful, thankless, late, early. Okay, then coming to this two words. Okay, see, change, share, love, name, question. So we have written this in the classwork. Please go through the classwork note. Okay, I have given all the names, like for action words and naming words. Example, for change, two examples I have given. For share, two sentences. Love, two sentence. Name, two sentence. And question, two sentence. So read that. Okay, then coming to the this out, this outlet, outlook, all these words. Okay, so here also it will be like word substitution. Okay, write the word substitution like that the questions may be. Okay, money spent on something is outlay. Line showing the shape of something, outline. Something that exists outside the main, outpost. Declare someone on outsider or expelled, outlaw. Way out for liquid or gas, outlet. Views or perception, outlook. A group of people or settlement far from the main group of settlement, layout. Outer areas are limits of a town, outhouse. Small building near a larger main building. Okay, next to this also we have that word substitution. No money, pauper. Okay, name shared by all the family members, surname. Okay, greatness of art, generosity. So you know that the action words we have identified. The back exercise, page number 38. In page number 38 we have marked all, circled. Okay, we have circled all the action words. So sing, play, works, guide, jumped, eats, attended, walked, painted, danced. So these are the action words. See, go through the sentence properly and then read. Okay, then coming to the lineage poem back Meanings plow, a large tool used by farmers to turn over the soil before planting crops. So we have seen all the pictures and also you have done the model also. Shrewdness, strength, quick, busy. Okay, so the back question answers, list the different qualities they possess. What are the quality they possess? They were very strong and shrewdness. Okay, so what aspect of the elderly people are appealing to the poet? Hard work still in that old age and the dedication they had for the work. These all was appealing. These all the aspects of the elderly people that are appealing to the poet. Okay, so with this we are completing the FA2 portion revision. Please go through it, read properly and do the exams well. All the best, children. Thank you so much.